क्या चांद में परियां रहती हैं? The moon is the only natural satellite of the earth and the fifth largest satellite in the solar system. Moon is the brightest object in the sky after the sun. Its prominence in the sky and its regular cycle of phases have since ancient times made the moon an important cultural influence on language, calendars, art, and mythology. In many cultures, it is called as goddess. Moon seems to be symbol of peace and prosperity. The evolution from one phase to another, dying and being reborn without end, is the single characteristic of the moon. We have been aware about the critical informations, anatomy and history of the moon, and still research is continuing on it. As it is said, 10 years ago moon was an inspiration to poets and an opportunity for lovers. 10 years from now, it will be just another airport. Let's hope and have a glance over this planet. Every day Indian kids sleep after listening the stories of fairies in the moon, and they call it Chandamama. So, children, this mama is always seen as a source of creative energy. It seems to be symbol of peace and prosperity. It is far away from us, having radius of 1737 kilometers. It weighs 7.347 into 10 to 22 kilogram. Basically, the moon is composed of rocks and soil. The innermost layer in the lunar core is 20% of the diameter of moon. It is composed of metallic iron with a small amount of sulfur and nickel. Outside the core is the largest region of the moon called the mantle, which extends up to a distance of 50 kilometers. It is composed of mineral diavine, orthopyroxene and clinopyroxene. The outermost layer of the moon, which is named as crust, it is composed of oxygen, silicon, magnesium, iron, calcium and aluminium. There are also trace elements like titanium, uranium, thorium, potassium and hydrogen. Neil Armstrong, first man on the moon, said, "It suddenly struck me that tiny pea, pretty and blue, was the earth. I put up my thumb and shut one eye, and my thumb blotted out the planet Earth. I didn't feel like a giant. I felt very, very small." Yes, it is the only celestial body on which humans have set foot, and I think believing in fairies in the moon for children is more better than believing in these theories. All the above data was given by scientific research, but according to some scientists, the moon was formed by dust and rock that joined together to make a dust ball. The dust ball started to orbit around Sun like any other planet. For some reason, got sucked into Earth's gravity and became our moon. Here we must agree with Richard P. Feynman. Science is a way of trying, not fooling yourself. The first principle is that You must not fool yourself, and you are the easiest person to fool. If it would have happened instantly, it could have attached to any other planet. It doesn't seem that creation of sun and moon is the purpose of day and night for reckoning the years, and shall we thank the superpower for providing such precious day and night for reckoning the years, and shall we thank the superpower for providing such precious shining planet to remove the darkness of our eyes, mind, and soul. Thank you very much.